Diary of Wimpy Kid Dog Days by Jeff Kinney, written by Monday Company. June. Friday. For me, summer vacation is for 3 months ski trip. Just because the weather's nice, everyone expects to be outside all day bullraking or whatever. And if you don't spend every second outdoors, people think there's something wrong with you. But the truth is, I've always been more of an indoor person. The way I like to spend my summer vacation is in front of TV, playing video games with the curtains closed and the lights turned off. Unfortunately, Mom's idea of the perfect summer vacation is different from mine.